Hi everyone, time for another iPhone app review. It's a game review. We're going to take a look at Pop, and Pop, a very simply named app, and it's fairly simple gameplay. Basically what you're doing with Pop is trying to pop various bubbles. You'll see in a moment, but I first want to show you the tutorial, and there's a reason for that. Because when you go through the training, you'll see that it gives you some great tips. For example, it says small bubbles are worth a lot of points while the big ones are worth few. Try to score 10,000 points. So obviously in this training I would want to try to seek out the smaller bubbles. Smaller relative. It makes the same kind of bubble sound as, I forget the name of it right now. I'm sure someone will let me know in the comments. The game for the Nintendo Wii where you're matching the shapes on the Wii Play. Okay, so there you go. I got my 10,000. Big bubbles are worth a lot more than small. Try to add 20 seconds onto the timer by getting the big bubbles. Okay, so I'll do that. Let me go to the next one. By popping the same color bubble consecutively, you can create a chain. Try to pop 10 bubbles of the same color. So 10 in a row would get you a bonus. Now my point in showing you all this is, okay, so you got all this nice training, right? Well, the thing here is, though, when you actually start playing the game, it feels like you just want to start popping bubbles. Because you know the idea of the game is to pop bubbles, and there's a bunch of them. So for me, all of the training kind of goes out the window. I'm just trying to pop as many bubbles as I can. However, you have to remember that you want to try to, for example, get additional time by popping those big bubbles, and you want to get more points with the small ones. But as far as trying to pop them of the same color and using the bomb feature here to shake the bubble then let it go, you don't usually have a whole lot of time for that. So it's a fun game. It can be what you want it to be in terms of whether you want it to be more of a strategy game in trying to get 10 of the same color, for example, or if you want to just see how many you can pop. But remember, you do have a timed event here, and you have to pop those big bubbles in order to get more time. For the digitallifestyle.tv, I'm Ryan Ritchie.